In this video, we're looking at exercise 1A, question 4, looking at questions A, C, E, and G. So question 4A asks us to add together 10 centimeters and 18 millimeters, and then express the answer in millimeters. Alright, so straight away we look at what is the desired unit. So what's the unit we want at the end? The unit we want at the end is millimeters. Alright, and we have millimeters here already, so we don't have to do anything with this part of the question. All we have to do is convert this 10 centimeters into millimeters. Well, to convert from centimeters to millimeters, we're getting a smaller unit, right, from centimeters to millimeters, so we're getting smaller. And from centimeters to millimeters, it's times 10. So 10 centimeters is the same as 10 times 10, which gives us 100 millimeters. Okay, so now that's in the same units as the one before, right? They're all in millimeters. So all we do now is just add them up. So 100 plus 18 equals 118 millimeters. All right, as we've been asked to do, right? Millimeters at the end. So that's the answer. In 4C, we were asked to do 453 kilometers added to 258 meters, and we're asked to express the answer in kilometers. So again, this is the unit we want. Which one of our numbers is already in that unit? Well, it's this one, it's the 453 kilometers. So the only one we need to change is this 258 meters. Alright, well, how do we go from meters to kilometers? We're going from a smaller unit to a bigger one, so we're getting bigger. And to go from meters to kilometers, we divide by 1,000. Okay, it's just over here. So 258 divided by 1,000, we put that into the calculator, we should get 0.258 kilometers. Alright, so now that's also in the same unit as we want. So now everything's of the same unit. So finally we just add it up. We do 453 plus 0.258, which equals 453.258 kilometers. Okay, always remembering to check your answer with a calculator. So that's 4C. Alright, so the process is the same each time. So I'll scroll down now, go to 4E. In 4E, and one moment, I'll just leave a bit of extra space here. In 4E, we're asked to add together 0.3 meters squared and 251 centimeters squared. And we're asked to express the answer in centimeters squared. Now again, this is what we want. We already got that in this part of the question. So the only one we need to convert is the 0.3 meters squared. Well, to go from meters squared to centimeters squared, we're getting to a smaller unit, so we're getting smaller. So we're looking at meters squared to centimeters squared, so we multiply by 100 squared. Alright, well, 0.3 times 100 squared, do that on a calculator, and you should get 3,000 meters, sorry, not meters, should get 3,000 centimeters squared, because that's the one we're converting to. And now that's the same as our desired unit. Alright, so then all that's left is adding the two together. So we do 3,000 plus 251, which gives us 3,251 centimeters squared. And we're done, that's the answer. One more to go. So we look now at 4G. In 4G, we're asked to put together, or we're asked to sum 482,000 millimeters cubed with 2.5 centimeters cubed, and we're asked to express that in millimeters cubed. Okay, so what we want is millimeters cubed, and we already have that over here. So we just need to convert the other part, this part here, the 2.5 centimeters cubed. Okay, well, to go from centimeters cubed to millimeters cubed, we're getting smaller. So we use this one here. So we multiply by 10 cubed. So, let me just get my pen. 2.5 times 10 to the power of 3, because that's what it's told us to do, equals 2,500, and the unit is millimeters cubed. So in the end, we just add it up. So we do 482. Let me rewrite that, because that's not very neat. 400 and still not very neat. 482,000 plus 2,500, which should give us an answer of 484,500, and the unit was millimeters cubed. And so that's the answer.